In this video, I'm going to talk about the Deutz Fahr 5105 and 5125 tractors. Both these tractors are powered with a 3.8 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine. The 5105 is rated at 106 gross horsepower, where the 5125 is rated at 126. Not only is there a horsepower difference, there's also a few other differences between the tractors, even though they are the same frame size. We'll start with the 5105 and then we'll move over to the 5125 and talk about those differences. Starting here with the 5105, we'll climb up in the cab. As far as setting in the seat of the tractor, everything looks the same between the two models. Both tractors have shuttle shift for forward and reverse with 5-stage modulation. Both tractors have a 40x40 transmission. The biggest difference is the 5105 is a 540 power takeoff only. So 540 speed only engaged here, where the 5125 does have 540 and 1000. The other big difference is the 3-point hitch on the 5105 is a mechanical versus electronic on the 5125. As far as the controls on the tractor, I've talked about this in other videos. Everything is color coded, so anything orange has to do with engine transmission, blue is hydraulics, yellow is PTO, and green is 3-point hitch. Have a couple loader function buttons down here, and of course your transmission shift levers. And then your loader joystick located over here on the right side as well. Parking brake and PTO lever here for 540 or a 750 economy mode. We'll now take a look at the controls in the 5125 tractor. As far as your transmission, loader, hydraulic controls, they are the same here. This tractor does have the electronic 3-point hitch, so you do have your work, raise, and lower right here, and then you can set your controls electronically located right here. Here you can adjust your depth, how far you want your 3-point to go down. You can limit your height for raise. You can choose your drop speed, and then the difference between draft and position control here. Also offer this button here. This is a manual button, so if you're backing up to hook up a 3-point hitch implement, you can use this switch here as you're looking back. Once you get everything set where you want, you can put that cover back over so you don't bump any of the controls, and then just use your work, raise, and lower here. PTO engagement switch is located in a little different spot on the 5125. These tractors also offer the stop and go feature, which you can stop the tractor by just pressing the brake pedals and letting off, and you do not have to use the clutch or inching pedal. With the 5125 being a 2-speed 540 1000 PTO, here is your lever to shift between 540 and 1000. You can also run it in a normal or economy mode. With the 5125 having an electronic 3-point hitch, both fenders have switches on them for raising and lowering the 3-point hitch to aid in hooking or unhooking implements. On the 5105, with this being a mechanical 3-point hitch, we have a mechanical lever here for raising and lowering the 3-point hitch to aid in hooking or unhooking implements. There is also quite a bit of difference in the lift capacity of the 3-point hitch between the 5105 and 5125 tractors. Both tractors do have a rock shaft lift design on the 3-point hitch system. The 5125 also offers additional hydraulic lift cylinders. Capacity on a 3-point hitch on a 5105 is 7,935 pounds, and it is 11,900 pounds on the 5125. Hope this video was helpful in pointing out the differences between the 5105 and 5125 tractor. For more information on Deutz Fahr products, you can visit our website at deutz-fahramerica.com.